Oh, oh, oh! Arr. Hello, I'm Silver the Wolf, aka the leader of the Twisted Animatronics. Hello, I'm Silver the Wolf, and today we are going to be reacting to is Who's Cooking Tonight. So anyway, before we head off to this video, don't forget to give this video a like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified. Oh! So anyways, today, I hope that you all do enjoy this video. Like I said again, give this video a like, and comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified. And please respect the person, by the way, and also don't forget to subscribe to the original person and creator, and support the original video who made this video called Who's Cooking Tonight. Oh! Anyway, Silver the Wolf, and we will react to this in 3, 2, 1, and here we go. Let's react to this. Looks like he's hungry. Ha! Reading a newspaper. That's rich. Oh! Show me something new besides reading a newspaper.
Yeah, I'm hungry.
Well, he doesn't care. Oh!
Yeah, I will deep fry you an entire goddamn cow.
Hell yeah!
Bruh.
Playing with you, man. I can't believe you fell for that.
I could go for
Huh?
barbecue
Coach?
bacon burger,
No.
large order of fries,
No.
What?
orange soda with no ice, and a piece of hot apple pie.
Are you kidding?
Get your ass in the...
Wow, he's wanting to do something. Oh! Huh? What?
Mister, I don't think I like your attitude.
Kiss my ass.
Oh,
Coach?
that's just funny.
Do that again, and I will...
Oh, damn! That's kinda hurt there. Oh! 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 Yeah, I just love this. Oh! That's a real fight here. Ow! That is hilarious.
Good thing I'm in this.
Man, so far this is just so funny. Oh! Man, those two are crazy. Oh! Oh! Oh!
I thought it
Wow!
had been an accident. Don't make me get sweet Lincoln's
Now they turn pretty dead.
Oh, hell yeah. Man, this is about to get all Baghdad and shit.
What?
Tits. Hey, that's not cool. Seriously.
Yeah, that is not cool. Really? Ow! That is not even cool. I agree with the guy that was just saying that.
Nick,
Yes.
I'm hungry.
I don't care.
Excuse me?
Nobody cares.
Excuse me?
Not again.
Now this is just funny. Oh! Hilarious. I give this video pretty much 9 out of 10, obviously. It's pretty good, not gonna lie there, but that's still pretty good. Not gonna lie there. Not gonna lie, but this was pretty impressive. So anyways, my name is Silver, the Wolf. And I will definitely be seeing you very soon on the next video. Don't forget to give this one a like, and comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified so you won't miss a single video that is coming along into our horror channel. So anyways, I'm Silver the Wolf speaking, and I better be seeing you very soon, and I'll see you again for the very next video. See you later, Silver the Wolf, signing out. Ow! Oh!